deal, YouTube? I know it's been a minute, but you know, we've been working, caught up in work. But today I'm gonna show you what just an average day of a body tech, collision tech, whatever you want to call it, is like. So as you can see, I got this 2019 Silverado. Got the Colorado that, if you've watched my previous couple of videos, you know what's going on with that. And then I got all these parts. Now, my area usually don't look like this, but it's just been fucking swarmed with work. And I got this dog leg. Just also had a couple videos on that, using this tack and pull on the frame machine to get that out. So we got the vibes going in here. If you can hear the music, you know. But also got parts for a Blazer. This is all this stuff here. So yeah. See, you already know what that's about. But on this Silverado, replacing this fender. Got a couple dents on this roof. Hood, replacing the bumper, which is there. Got damage down here on these doors. One of my previous videos, motherfucker said I was a parts changer. So I'll show y'all what I can do with these doors. Definitely won't be changing those, you know. So yeah. Alright. Working on this Silverado. So I got both the doors off because it's got damage here. Got some damage right up in here. And got some right there. So take care of that. Damn. It's gonna end up painting the whole side. So, yep. Got first coat. Got it all roughed out. First coat on there. And the other ones already. So, here we go.
Apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.